Hi everybody, welcome to our short video series about taking better photos with your iPhone or DSLR at home.
We know that so many of you just want to take a great shot of your kids or your family or your product of your business, and we want to help. So we're going to teach you the basics of how to use your iPhone or your DSLR to get those great photos. Thanks for joining us. We can't wait to see you on this journey. Before we get started on the first episode, we wanted to give you a quick overview on what you can expect. We've broken down this entire video series on how to take better photos with your iPhone and DSLR into 7 different parts. First, we'll go into equipment starting today. Then we'll talk a little bit about story and how important it is to making beautiful images. We'll talk about light and apps on your phone that'll help you capture it beautifully. We'll also talk about the exposure triangle and how to apply our lessons about light to your DSLR. And then we'll finish up with some quick photo rules, how to import and organize your photos, and how to edit them to really make them pop. Before we dive into today's lesson on equipment, I wanted to take a second to talk about the why. Why are we here? Why are we teaching this course? And why are you here taking it? As I was reflecting on my own personal why and why I love photography, I came across a quote by Diane Arbus, who is a 20th century photographer, and who actually often turned her camera into people who are on the fringes of society. But what she said still rings true for me. She said, I really believe there are things that nobody would see if I didn't photograph them. For me, it's that when I photograph, I'm learning to see my own life and the most important things in it, even if they feel insignificant and small. And I have a feeling that you feel the same way, that you want to capture more of what's important to you, whether it's your family or your business, or communicate either to yourself or others or both in a way that is both true and looks beautiful.